Cold.
Okay, come back down then. Because Levi wants to see.
No, I want to go back. It's wonderful up here.
You can get your ladder to get juice.
I can't.
Jesse,
Get down.
Jesse, come down, please.
No, Levi, no.
Come on. This holds a 300-pound person.
Go inside, Bethany. Go inside? What do you mean go inside? Oh, you mean like this? No! Why not? This is a smart idea. Can we hire it, Dad?
Probably, but not while you're on it.
Are you actually hiring it?
First, I'm going to take Levi out.
And then I can be that high. I can't. What if I click one of these buttons? Hold up there. Don't press it. Jesse. Jesse, you almost pressed this button. And like so you can go it. Bethany, there's people out there.
I didn't really know where we were, and then I remembered where we were, and then I was like, I wonder what it's like here. And I pull open the curtain before it's even pulled, like a yellow light, and I'm like, yellow light. And then I pull it open and I see blue sky, and I was like, oh, blue sky. And then Hanson started playing with it.
It's a map! Have you seen a map this big? Ginormous. I can walk on it. I'm in Texas. You, Mama? You, Mama?
All right, we all slept pretty good, I think. Levi's sleeping and Bethany's holding his head up for him so that he can breathe well. Anyways, we decided to go out for breakfast this morning, which we don't do very often, and there's an IHOP nearby which has lots of gluten-free options.
Not necessarily healthy, but it's gluten-free.
Not necessarily healthy. We've been doing a lot of treats lately, but sometimes that's just seasons. So
There's a car wash too.
oh, a car wash. So we're going to IHOP for breakfast.
I got one.
Not too bad.
I'm in.
10 of them.
We got the back corner. They're going to the bathroom.
To Jess. I guess there'll be a second plate.
You want some? I'm still waiting for the rest of our food. Mine hasn't fully come yet. Alex and Rebecca's hasn't fully come yet. And I think there's a few other people. No, I think maybe it's just me, Alex, and Rebecca then.
Where's the nose? It didn't come with the nose. It usually does. I'm gonna make my own nose. Actually, I think it's good. Last spoon.
Jesse, what's your face for?
That was good. Okay.
Not yet.
So we can just walk out and have it.
Just finished eating. We're gonna head out and
Do something.
I don't know what we're gonna do, but all of us kind of want to be outside because it's a really nice day out and it's sunny and there's blue skies and it's just nice. So we're probably gonna end up at a park or a hike or something like that.
Let's go, let's go.
Car wash time again. That's all we do. See, what they didn't do when I was a kid was spray you down first. Here they like to
Paid for the premium.
They pre-spray you. Here we go.
Oh my goodness. Look at this. That's mini retirement. Yeah, call them waterfalls.
Oh, look! What the heck? What is that for?
The wiper.
No, it's washing.
Rinse the roof. Rinsey, rinsey.
We went through the car wash and now we're going to clean out this disgusting van because we drove in it all day yesterday, and we're going to vacuum all of the carpets. Whoa.
This water?
No, that's mine.
Jesse, is this yours?
Yeah, it's Jesse's hat. Just give it to him so he can drink it.
Toby, is this your water?
Yes.
I got Dad too.
Alright, everybody's in?
Wait.
How far away is where we're going? It's the sidewalk! It's a sidewalk!
The kids are all really excited because there's sidewalks here. So we can actually walk
Where'd it go?
without getting run over by cars. Unlike the other town that we were in. We're excited to have sidewalks.
You can boat up to this little fishing thing.
That's weird.
We're in Athens, Texas. We're here at this really cool health food smoothie latte kind of store. Really cool. They got a patio here on the main street here in Athens, and old buildings, brick, and it's just a cool spot.
Got lattes.
It's okay.
I ordered a white mocha and I got something frozen, which I'm not accustomed to. In Canada, if I ordered something called a mocha, unless it was a iced mocha, it would not be iced. So I gave it to Toby because that's just not quite what I wanted. But
McAllister!
Oh, McAllister's Deli, one of our
got everything
faves.
here.
I'll be honest, I've been disappointed with McAllister.
No, the last time was good. You just were disappointed once or twice, and now every time's a disappointment to you.
It's just too cold. Bring a sweater.
We just stopped at a playground for all the kids to play at, and it's really, really cool. There's like an old-fashioned merry-go-round, but like, it's like, is that a 4-story slide?
Well, the slide is on the second story.
Look at that. That is insane.
The rocket ship slide. The rocket ship.
That is crazy. Oh dear, oh dear. and Daddy, you're having a little bit too much fun.
I think they need help.
Oh my God!
That looks fun. Yeah. Oh! I know.
How do I get down?
Still do it.
Oh dear. A little bigger than when I was.
What are you doing?
Yeah, just a little bit. Just a little bigger.
See, you grip your ankles both way around both bars, and then you.
Dad.
Like your face?
Wide.
Mom, get a climb up.
Whoa.
How do you get down?
Muscle man.
What is going on? What are you doing? Stop it!
Oh my goodness, he's like a spider.
He's like Tom Holland. Actually fit down the dog stunt.
What's up?
Coughs and sneezes spread diseases.
How do you get to the top?
Make that up.
No, that's Aunt Hetty.
Aunt Hetty.
Yes. Lots is learned by Rote Avonlea.
Hi, Levi.
It's fun though.
Aunt Hetty?
Down here from the bottom.
Makes me feel. Okay.
Oh my gosh.
You having fun, Levi? I mean, Jesse.
Go out.
Oh, there was kids falling off of it. No.
Can I get on? Oh my gosh. Why are we going so fast?
Adri.
Stop! Okay, I'm latched. Now we can go.
Seriously, you're not
I
gonna help?
can't get all of us in it at the same time. Oh my gosh. What are we doing?
Ah, my butt. It's
I'm
too
dizzy.
big.
Oh, I'm gonna be sick. Ugh. Hey, word of advice, never ever go to Italy on a flight. Eat your breakfast 5 minutes before the landing. You will be wrecked for life and never be able to drive in Arkansas again or do swings or go to fair rides again. It's terrible, so just don't do it. I don't know if there's a sign for me to show you, but we're here getting supper at McAllister's, and then after that I think we're gonna head back to the bus. You just want to sit there? You want to go to bed?
It says that.
I like your new headband.
You can wear that headband tomorrow after your shower. One.
Where's there any? Emmy, did you brush your teeth?
Two. She's brushed. She needs to pee and get her jammies.
Are you putting them to bed tonight?
Yes.
Oh.